technically, if you see from the last almost after touching nearly in the last August, if you see last August, it has after the gap down opening, it has touched that 50 DMA mark, and it has been continuously gaining since the last 2 months. But once again, if you see the similar chart pattern is making in this month as well, October. So this last couple of days have been very profit booking session, as well as because of global market sentiment. I think here it came US data was negative, so that's the reason index has been gapped down. So here the Middle East crisis and profit booking and F&O curve from the SEBI, that is a major reason for today's fall. And today it has been breached at 21 DMA, and currently slightly trading that above that 50 DMA and crucial support level. So we'll quickly move on to the index chart, where this is the same chart where Nifty 50. And if you see here on the Nifty 15 weekly chart, from this week, it's making a reversal kind of pattern over here on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, it's already confirmed. Evening star pattern has been formed in the highs of 26,260 kind of level, where it has made made recent highs. So after that, there was a profit booking session, and today there was a confirmation where profit booking has happened. Also, if you see on the weekly chart on the momentum side, if you see the momentum from the last, especially since March, so that is where the RSI has been bounced from that level. So it has been at current juncture, it is nearly trading that level. So let us see in the coming days, if it bounce back from here, then well and good, or else index might be on the verge of downside reversal. With the will next we may move to the downside towards 24,350 kind of level on the longer time frame period chart. Also on the RSI, on the higher side, it has faced resistance near to that overbought level, that is around 77, 78 kind of level. So coming down to the daily chart, where today it has breached 21 DMA, as I said, and also there was a crucial support around that 25,500 kind of 500 to 400 kind of level. But today it has clearly, there was a gap down, and there is a one-sided rally from the for the downside. And the short-term trading from the as I said, August low, there was a couple of bounces which happened in the last session, but this time it didn't take a support from that level. So today it has breached that level, and the next level of support will be may take around 24,000, 25,000 to 24,800 kind of level will be the key support area for Nifty 50. Even if that breaks, then we might see 24,300 kind of level, where if you see this gap down area where it was taken a support around that level. So we might see 24,300 to 23,900 kind of level. That is a key support area for Nifty 50. On the higher side, if in the next couple of weeks, if it didn't cross that 25,500, 600 kind of level, so we might not see new all-time highs on the Nifty in the Diwali, but hope we'll get that in the Diwali itself, and BSC somewhere around near to that 90,000 mark. So hopefully if we get, but current crisis in the Middle East, factors regarding the US, and today US market has today they are going to release job data. So that is going to be also very crucial for interest rate hikes in the coming days from the US side. And from domestic side, even RBI is taking a meeting in the next couple of next week, I guess. So that is also going to be crucial for market. So many economic events, and in November, US election is going to be happen. So we might see some more volatility in the especially in the October. So let us hope for the best. The key level, we have to manage our risk in this kind of situation. So instead of buying everything, if you see almost last 6 months, 7 months, everything was it was nice market where all the stocks were moving up very nicely. But right now it's kind of selective market, and breakouts may fail, and it might hit back sharply. So position yourself, and risk management is key over here in the next coming quarter. So level wise, I have already discussed where 25,000 is a current level where next leg of support for Nifty 50. If it falls that level, then we might see another 500 points of fall in Nifty 50. And the next one is Nifty Bank. So Bank Nifty, if you see, there was a sharp fall, and all the falls from the last 4 days has been with the gap down. And on the major side, it was after the same similar like Nifty 50, where it has does that 25 54,000 kind of 54,200 54,200 kind of level. Then there was a reversal pattern. It's not yet confirmed pattern, still one more days to go, but if it doesn't cross that this level, then we might see some even reversal pattern, evening star kind of pattern over here on the weekly chart in the Bank Nifty. But also, if you see this from last June 2022, that upward sloping trend line. So we have seen last it was taking a support around that level, and bouncing back from that level. So hopefully, if that 50,000 kind of level is a key support for Bank Nifty. So if that sustains that level, then we might see some more consolidation in this Bank Nifty in the range of 54,000, 50,000 to 54,000, 55,000 kind of level. On the daily chart, that's the same level where 50 DMA is currently, if you see the breakout level of 51,800 kind of level, that was a level where index has been given a breakout, and it has given a very good rally. That's the new high. But right now it's holding that level, that 50 DMA as well as 51,800 kind of level. So if it falls below that, we might see some more downside towards 50,000 kind of level. Even that level breaks, we might see 200 DMA, that is 49,000 kind of 1,000 points from there. And momentum indicator is from now clearly it's showing downside. So if it gets a support around that level, then we might see some more consolidation in the upcoming days.